Hi-Tech Pipes Ltd, a steel pipes manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1985 and got listed on NSE in 2016. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 100 employees and 400 workers. They have 5 manufacturing plants located in Khopoli, Hindupur, Sanand, and Sikanderabad, with a total production capacity of 750,000 metric tons per annum. The market cap of the company is 1,842 crore rupees, and currently trading at 128 rupees per share. The company has a 24% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 34% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company manufactures steel products like electric resistance welded tubes, square hollow sections, color-coated coils, solar torque tubes, cold-rolled coils and strips, corrugated sheets, rectangular hollow sections, and more. Company offers these products under its well-known 12 brands, which are used in diverse industry segments like agriculture, infrastructure, automobile, architecture, and industrial. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. In January 2024, the company allotted more than 65 lakh shares at a premium of 68 rupees and 20 paise on conversion of warrants. There is a small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. This is due to issued conversion of warrants. We can see some foreign investments and a good portion of domestic investments in the company. The public holding is dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Some clients of the company are NTPC, SAIL, Reliance Industries, BHEL, Indian Oil, Adani, Airtel, Larsen & Toubro, Tata, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In March 2024, company commenced production at the new facility in Sanand, Gujarat, with a production capacity of 170,000 metric tons per annum. They offer more than 1,200 products and serve more than 160 OEM clients. The business mix of the company is 65% from business to client and 35% from business to business. They have more than 450 distributors and a presence in 5,000 retail stores. Company has 3 wholly owned subsidiaries, through which they cater clients in more than 17 states. In 2023, company was ranked 143 in Fortune India the Next 500. Currently, company doesn't export. However, there are plans to begin exports from its new manufacturing facility at Sanand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.